Welcome back to the CAD-CAM design tutorial. In this today tutorial, we can draw the collar of the knuckle joint part. In our previous tutorial, we can draw knuckle joint 3 parts. Our today tutorial knuckle joint 4th part is collar. This collar all dimension is previously we calculate. Now today we can draw in this cryoparametric. First of all, same as the work directory set in our knuckle joint folder. Now go to the new part solid and type name collar. Use this, uncheck this, use default template and OK. Now go to the scroll down and select solid part mmks, means all dimension are in mm, and done. Now select this top plane sketch. Go to this sketch view or normal view. Now go to select the circle and draw two circle to this origin point. Now this smaller one circle diameter is 30 and the bigger one circle diameter is 45. Now done. Go to this, select OK. Now this sketch will be done. Now go to extrude. Now this extrude is up to in one direction. We need both direction. Then go to this and select this second option. This is both side extrude. See the result. And this is extrude up to 15 mm and done and OK. Now see, this are done. Now select the right plane and sketch. Go to this sketch view or normal. Now go to the circle and draw to the circle to this center. This circle diameter is same as taper pin, means 6 mm diameter, and done. Now see, this our sketch are completely draw. Now go to select OK. Go to this extrude. We need both side extrude. Then go to this and select both side and scroll like this and remove material. Then show the preview of our this collar are done and OK. Now see, this our collar are perfectly done. Now we can apply appearance. First of all, hide this 3 all. Now go to this view appearance. Now apply. Now we can select this PTC STD bronze. Now we can select our this full object and select like this. Now adjust this object in isometric view. Now this is done. Now go to this application and select the render studio. Now these are half render are done. Now we can need one image file. Then click on render to file. Now select the maximum sample and rename this creo as part 4. Collar and go to this and maximum sample, and sample will be 256 and click render. Now wait and watch. Now see our render are complete, and simply close it and see the preview of our render, and this is also show in this image file. Now first of all close it and see this our object and show this is our final color show in this slide preview. Now this color are done and save it. Press Ctrl S, Ctrl plus S, desktop, knuckle joint, part 4 and OK. Now our color will be ready. Now see the preview of our color.